everybody. Good morning, grade 1s and 2s and 3s. It's good to have you at assembly. Let me just clean my hands first. There we go. Right. Myself and my technical assistant, Mr. Clarke, are here, and we are preparing an assembly for you this morning. But before we sing the school song, and we're going to sing the school song just now, I would like 2 volunteers from each of the grade 3 classes. There are 5 grade 3 classes. There should be 2 volunteers from each group. They've got to know how to get to the staff room, and they've got to be able to go and do a mission for me. So can I have, right now, as fast as you can, 2 children from each of the grade 3 classes down to the staff room, please. Right. Mr. Clarke, we have our school song. And last week, or 2 weeks ago, you guys did so well at singing the school song. We're going to be singing it again this week. Are you ready? Mr. Clarke's going to play the school song for us, and I want to hear you down the passage, singing beautifully. I have the school song here, and I will be singing it along with you. Mr. Clarke, play the music. Come inside. Let me. Right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grade 3s so far. I'm still looking for the other 5. What class are you from? 3L. And you? 3K. Come and stand here. Who's the other 3L? Where's 3L? Okay, 3Ls, come and stand over here. We got 2 3Ls. Who's got the biggest mouth? Of the 2 of you? Right, you can go sit down in that chair over there, and you can go stand in that corner over there. Who's next class? 3K. We'll get there just now. 3K in 3K today. Who's in 3K today? Okay, who's got the biggest mouth? Okay, you can sit down over there, you can go stand in that group. Who's next? 3S. Who are you guys? 3? Are you modular? Who's the modular class? Right, who's got the bigger mouth? Me. Okay, you can sit down under there, you go in that group. 3S. Who's got the biggest mouth? You can sit down under there, you can go in that group. And the last group, who's got the bigger mouth? Okay, you sit in the chair at the back there, and you can join that group. Right, we've got 2 groups here, and they're going to go on a mission for me. The one group, you guys have got a job. I'm going to give you each a pencil, okay? So who's 3S? Can you guys go to grade 1, please? And I want you to give 1 child in each class a pencil as a present. Any child. You choose a child. Okay. Can you go to grade 2, please? All the grade 2 class except the modular class, the 4 grade 2 class, give everyone a pencil. Can you go to grade 3, please? Okay, give every child a pencil. Choose a child in the class and give them a pencil. And I want you to go to modular grade 2. Do you know where it is? It's at aftercare. It's the last classroom in aftercare. Okay, and you go and give them choose a child and give them a pencil. Okay, and you're going to go to the modular grade 3 class and choose a child and give them the pencil. Okay, right. You guys, however, have a different job for you. What we're going to do is, I separated you all out nice and far, okay? So you can slip your masks down. And I'm going to give you a marshmallow. You like marshmallows? Yes. Okay, good. I'm going to give you a marshmallow, and then what I want you to do is put it in your mouth. Good start. Yes. Don't eat it. Okay. I'm going to give you the marshmallow. You're going to take it. You're going to put it in your mouth, and then you're going to say, chubby bunny. Yes. Don't swallow it. Keep it there. You're not allowed to swallow or you're disqualified. Okay, here we go. One for you. One for you. One for you. Very nice marshmallows. There we go. Right. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Don't chew it. Don't chew it. Just put it. Say chubby bunny. There we go. Good. Good. What's I didn't hear that? Oh, oh, very good. Right, take another one. Don't chew it. Don't chew it. You have two in your mouth now. You said you had big mouths. I'll listen to you. You really can't put it out. You really can't put it out. Right, let's start again from the beginning. You guys stay on the side, then you come back. Right, very good. Oh, very bad. Say it again. Chubby bunny, can I say it for us? Oh, I didn't hear it. Okay. Very good. Right, two marshmallow. Right, you can resign if you want to. You don't want to. Do you want another one? No, you don't want to try. You guys can put it out. Or you can eat them. You can eat them. You try another one? You try another one? Don't too far apart from each other. Right, you ready? You want to try another one? You haven't put that one in your mouth yet. Don't choke, don't choke. Chubby bunny. Oh, yes, and? No, right, you two are the last two here. Try a fourth one. No chewing, no sucking, no choking. Is that me? Yes, okay, your chance. Oh, that was good. Are you up for another one or not? Are you up for another one? Right! Yay! What's your name? Sorry, I can't hear. Right, well done to got the most chubby bunnies. Well done to Right, what I am going to give you guys is you can eat them if you want to, otherwise you can spit them out. You haven't eaten them? Yes. You want to spit them out? That's terrible. Okay, right. Right, now, what was the point, Mr. Payne? What were you up to? I would like to, you want to wash their hands? One at a time. Right, we're going to interview these guys and see how it felt. You guys, the chubby bunny guys, did you enjoy your marshmallows?
Yes.
Did you?
Yes.
You nearly choked on yours. Is that the way you'd like to eat marshmallows in future?
No.
No, you don't like it like that. They tasted nice. The first one was nice.
Yeah.
And after a while, you wanted to choke on them.
Yeah.
Except for Erher. Erher did very nicely, and she was able to, Emily, was able to survive. Okay. So, eating marshmallows was fun, but it actually wasn't the best way to eat marshmallows. What's the best way to eat marshmallows? One at a time is the best way to eat marshmallows. Right. And then the people on the floor there, on the chairs over there, who handed out pencils. Now you'll speak loudly so everyone can hear you. Can someone tell me how it felt handing out a pencil? Yes. It felt awesome. That sounds good. Awesome. Why did it feel awesome?
I like sharing.
You like sharing. Anybody else? How did it feel handing one out? Yes. Also awesome. We've got two awesomes. It was nice giving something away. So what did you guys get out of it? Where are your pencils? You don't have any. You gave them away and it still feels awesome. You guys had as many marshmallows as you wanted. Most of you just spat them out again. Didn't even eat them. Isn't that a lesson that we can learn? There is a lesson. I have something written here. You know, sometimes we have lots of stuff. We have more than enough. And we don't appreciate it sometimes. And then when we get a chance to give something away, then it's something that we feel awesome about. And I have here a Bible verse that's somewhere, and it says, here we go, in Hebrews 13 verse 16, it says, do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. So I want to congratulate all of you who contributed to the soup packs this last week. We made 20,000 meals. 20,000 mouths were fed because you guys were so generous. You gave what you got. You brought your 10 rand or your 20 rand or your 30 rand. Well done to all of you guys. And after we'd made 20,000 packs, there was still 300 kilograms of rice, 150 kilograms of lentils, and 100 kilograms of soup mix still left over to go to the soup kitchens. That's gone to soup kitchens. So well done to all of you who contributed to that. And how does it feel to be able to share and give things away? It feels, how does it feel? Awesome, apparently. It feels awesome. So thank you to all of you. Right, we're going to quickly pray. Dear God, we thank you for all the things we have. We have plenty, and I thank you for that. And I pray that you would help us to be people that share, that give to other people who are in need, because it feels awesome, but also it feels awesome for them to receive something as well. We thank you for all your goodness and all your blessings. We thank you we can come to a school like this. We thank you for our families. We thank you for our teachers. And I pray that you would keep teaching us to be the kind of people you want us to be. In your name, amen. Right, I'm finished with these guys, but I'm not going to chase them away. They're going to stay here for a little bit because it's lonely here on my own. Okay, so you guys are going to keep me company. Okay, and then I have some merits today. I have some merits, and the merits read like this. I don't know who's going to get a merit today. Let's find out. I'm going to pull my chair a bit closer because I'm old and my knees are giving way. Right. So the merits go like this for this week. In 1O, it's Kayla for always working well and doing her best. Well done, Kayla. And Ryan as well for an excellent attitude towards learning. And then in 1L, it's Ella Cragg for an excellent efforts and attitude this week. I bumped into Ella on the beach on Tuesday afternoon, and she just talks and talks and talks. And also in 1L is Jamie Donaldson for enthusiasm for learning. Well done, Jamie. In 1T, it's Eva Yuster having a positive attitude to school. And 1T is Jessie Durham for entertaining space oral. Well done, Jessie. And in 1C, it's Ayola for being a whiz at maths. I like to hear that. And Savannah, also a maths whiz for her, I can't read that. Sorry, Miss Charles, for something that she did very nicely. I can't quite read it. In 2C, Charlie for outstanding effort and neatness, and Lila for always doing her best and never giving up. Well done. 2ST for an excellent India oral, and so James for an excellent India oral. Well done, James. And Kia for always persevering and her neat work. In 2L, Zion, an improvement in reading and enthusiasm towards learning. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is all we ask for. Children who want to learn. If you want to learn, we can't ask any more from you. So well done, Zion. And Eva May for her beautiful work and being a kind helper in the classroom. Then there was 2S. It's Grace for always producing excellent work. Yeah, I'm sure. And Matthew for a great improvement in reading. Keep growing, Matthew. In 3K, Andre Ulofse, an outstanding effort in maths. And Samantha Dazel for improvement in handwriting. Listen here, Andre was here somewhere. Here we go. So you have to wait, Andre. You'll get your badge just now when you go up there. Tyler for being a wonderful helper. That's 3P. Tyler for being a wonderful helper. Also 3P. Thomas for trying hard to improve his phonics. Good effort, Thomas. 3S is Tristan, working diligently and beautifully. And Sam for love and enthusiasm for learning. Well done, Sam. And then 3L, Emily, excellent work in all areas this term. And Jessie for working well in class and answering so many questions. Well done to all those merit winners, awardees. Good job. I'm sure lots of other people who are working very hard as well. And then we have respect badges. In 1L, it's Eliana. Well done, Eliana. In 1T, it's Tembelikle. Well done. And then in 1C, it is Vigo. And in the other one, 1O, it is Leah or Leah. In 2C, the timber. We'll wait for the bell to finish. In 2ST, it's Leah G. In 2L, it's Logan. In 2S, it's Yanni. In 3K, it's Ella Martin. In 3P, it's Taylor. 3S, it's Emily. And 3L, it's Jamie Broom. Yeah, Jamie's a gentleman. I saw he let his sister win the race to the front of the line the other day. Well done. And then, if there's anybody who's had a birthday in this past 2 weeks, happy birthday to you. A year older and a year wiser. Well done to all of you. Thank you for joining us in assembly this morning. I thank you to my volunteers here as well. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to give each of our volunteers who handed out a pencil, if I've got enough, we're going to give them a pencil as well, because they've given theirs away, and we're going to give them one that they can keep. And I don't think my chubby bunny people want another marshmallow, or I'd give them one of those as well. So thank you for being with us this morning, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks' time. Have a good day.